Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. Today guys, I'll be showing you how you can remove team members from your project in Asana. So guys, this is fairly easy to do and quick, so make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you. So guys, anyways, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is go and open the Asana application. After opening the program, you'll be greeted by this main page here, the home page. As you can see here guys on the left, you can see all the options that you have to choose, such as home, my tasks, inbox, depending on what you need. So the first thing we want to do guys is go into the project that we created where our team members are that we want to remove. So guys, let's say there's the project right here called tutorials that we want to enter and remove members. So go ahead and click on the project. This will open up this board right here with all of the tasks for today's project. So guys, here now when you open the project, you'll want to do the following. In the upper right corner here, you will be able to see all profile pictures of your members, and you will be able to click on this, and this will open up the list of all the members that are on this project. So go ahead and click on that, and as you can see here guys, now this is open up our members tab of our project where we can see all of the members in this project. So you remove a member from the project, any that you want. All you have to do is go ahead and find the member that you want to remove and go ahead and click on the can edit button on the right side of their name. So go ahead and click on that, and now you can see you can either set them as the project owner or give them more options. But if you want to remove them, just click on the red remove from project button, and now guys, as you can see, now the member has been removed from the project. They are no longer on the project, can no longer see the project. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.